Regarding cycling, there are often doubts about whether this sport can affect a man's sperm quality due to its particular characteristics. The truth is that for spermatogenesis to develop optimally, the testicles must be about 2 degrees Celsius below body temperature. However, sports like cycling or horseback riding could lead to an increase in temperature in the scrotal area, which would harm spermatogenesis. In addition, cycling is usually practiced with very tight clothing, which would favor overheating. On the other hand, the impact with the saddle could also contribute to cyclists having worse sperm quality, especially in terms of sperm motility and morphology. In addition, the pressure exerted by the saddle on the nerves and blood vessels in the testicular area could also lead to erectile dysfunction problems. For all these reasons, so that sperm quality is not affected, it is not usually recommended to practice cycling for more than 5 hours a week.